Hi everyone, welcome to the APM tutorial series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create an APM dashboard using a custom query. I have the APM Trace Explorer open my screen. In the main window, it is showing the results from a query I created. And this is the query which I would like to see in my custom dashboard. I will copy the query to a text file so that I can use it later in the dashboard. And next, I will go to the dashboard page. From the APM menu, select Dashboards. This will open a dashboard page. Select the compartment in which you want to save your dashboard. Then click Create Dashboard. A new dashboard editing page opens. Enter the name of the dashboard under About tab on the right-hand side of the screen. For example, My New Dashboard. Then select the Widgets tab. Type down Trace in the filter window and drag and drop the Trace Table widget to the center screen. You can resize the widget window by clicking and dragging the edge of the window. Select the correct compartment and ensure the right APM domain is selected. At present, the widget displays the default query. Now let's change the query to what we copied from the Trace Explorer. In the Widgets tab, click Edit Widgets. Expand the trace table, and under the Configured Widget Input section, click the asterisk next to the trace table query. The Configure Trace Table Query Input window opens. Now replace the value with the query copied from the Trace Explorer, then click Save Changes. Confirm the Trace Table widget now shows the data from the copied query. Currently, the widget title is Trace Table, which is the default value. Let's change the title to more meaningful value, such as Server Requests, and verify that the widget title is also updated to Server Requests. Next, let's add a filter based on the service names so that you can narrow down the data and focus on a specific service. Click Filters tab. In the search field, type spans. You'll see the span dimension filter. Drag the filter to the filter pane at the upper side of the screen. Configure dimension name input window opens. Select the service name from the pull-down menu. Then click Save Changes. In the Filters tab, change the filter name to Service Name, and confirm the name is also changed in the filter. Next, you need to connect the filter to the widget. Click the Widgets tab, then click Edit Widgets. Expand Server Requests and click Add Input. In the Configure Input for Server Request, select Service Name as an existing filter. Verify that the parameter name field is also updated and displays service name as a value. Click Save Changes. Now the service name filter is connected to the widget. This completes configuration of my custom dashboard, so I will click the About tab and click Save Changes. And this will open the new dashboard just created. Verify that the data selections dynamically changes as you select different service names from the service name filter. This is the end of the recording of how to create an APM dashboard using a custom query. Thank you for watching.